if A and B are independent events, okay, that means both are different events. One can be, for an example, coin tossing. If it is A is coin tossing, B is selecting cards, okay, that like that, two independent events. Then probability of A it is given as 0.3 and probability of B it is given as 0.4. Then A intersection B means, intersection means what is common in both events. That is, in such cases, independent event means we have to multiply. Okay, both are different, right? That is P of A intersection B. Probability of common means probability of A we need to multiply with probability of B. Okay, that is just you need to multiply. When only if it is given as independent. Okay, so 0.3 into 0.4, that is what? 0.12. That is the probability of A intersection B. Fine. So the next question, probability of E it is given as 0.6 and E intersection F it is given as 0.3. Then find E given B, sorry, F given E. That means this is a conditional probability, means we have to find probability of F and E is already occurred, like that. There is a formula for this, that is you need to study that, probability of F given E. That means take the intersection here, probability of E intersection F by, here it is E is already occurred, that probability we have to divide. Okay, this is the formula. So this value it is given as 0.2, right? And E it is given as 0.6. Okay, that is multiplying with 2, you will 10, you will get 2 by 6, right? That is 1 by 3 is the answer. So this conditional probability you have to study its formula. Okay, and remember this independent events, if it is like that, just multiply two given probabilities. Okay, fine. So the next possible type. Okay. Here probability of A it is given as 0.8, B it is given as 0.5 and B given A it is already given 0.4. Then we have to find A intersection B, right? That is what is, first you can write the formula. P of B given A it is P of its intersection A intersection B and down probability. Okay, that is P of A. We have to find this one, right? That is P of A intersection B is equal to this, it will go here, P of B given A into P of A. So it is given as 0.4, P of A it is given as 0.8, that is 0.32, right? Okay, easy. Then next type can be asked like this, two coins are tossed once. We have to find E given F, where E is what? No tail appears, and F is what? No head appears. In that case you have to write the sample space. Sample space means what are the possible outcomes of an event, right? That means sample space is actually here. This both are the cases of a same sample space, that is tail and head. So here two coins are tossed, right? So possibility, it can be two head or one head, one tail, or one tail, one head, like first head, then tail, first tail, then head, like that. Then it can be two tails. So four possibilities are there. So this is sample space of this event. Okay, so what is E it is given? E is given as no tail appears. In this three cases tail is there. So only remains what? H, both heads, that is E. Then what is F here? No head appears. No head appears means this 3 cannot be done. So only this TT, only tail. Okay. So what is the probability of E? If this from the sample space, how you will write the probability? E probability is 1, only 1. By what? 4. Sample space you have to divide. Okay. Similarly, probability of F was only one possible way. From how much outcomes? 4 outcomes. So this number is sample space. This is this event. Okay. Fine. So now here intersection is what? There is no common. In this, if we take intersection, anything common in these two sets? No. That is probability you can write. E intersection F is equal to 0. There is nothing common. So you can take it as 0. Then what we need to find? P of E given F. That is what? P of E intersection F by P of down, right? P of F. That is E intersection F is already 0. P of F is what? 1 by 4. But answer will be what? 0, right? Okay. So this type 1 mark question you can expect. Similar type you practice. Okay. Conditional probability, then independent events, how to write sample space from that probability, then calculating this one. Okay. So the next class we will discuss more high mark questions. Okay. Till then, bye.